Inspired by the DIY van life movement, the versatile new Solis Pocket from Winnebago lets you enjoy outdoor adventures without breaking the bank. The Pocket is well equipped for backcountry excursions with a flexible interior, plenty of storage, and extended season camping capability. Yet it's maneuverable and efficient enough for everyday use around town. The Pocket's flexible living space conforms to your needs and features a dinette with a 3-point seatbelt that easily converts to a sofa, a daybed, or a love seat. The cab seats swivel to provide additional lounge seating. Multi-use storage along the dinette sidewall supports remote working with bottom-hinged storage cabinets for files, laptops, or supplies, and pockets for storing and charging electronics. A modular lightweight load-carrying equipment, or MOLLE panel, can be used to secure the removable galley storage pack, outdoor gear, or other accessories. The cross-coach Murphy Plus platform bed is set at a higher point, so bicycles or other large gear can be stored below the bed using the cargo tie-downs or the MOLLE panel. A long counter opposite the bed provides an extra food prep surface or can serve as a workspace for prepping outdoor gear. The Pocket's galley offers functionality inside and outside the coach, with an exterior table, forward-facing refrigerator, stainless steel sink, and 2-burner cooktop. Extended season capability lets you camp in comfort thanks to the Truma VarioHeat heating system, extensive proprietary insulation, and composite flooring. As a result, the Pocket provides enhanced heat retention, earning Gold certification from Truma, a leading supplier in the RV heating and cooling category, for its cold weather capability. All water tanks, valves, lines, and pumps are located inside the coach to protect them from freezing. The Pocket is one of the only camper vans in North America with a fillable or exchangeable 20-pound propane tank, and it's located inside the coach for added convenience. Its fuel-efficient Ram ProMaster chassis provides significant ground clearance, is easy to maneuver and park thanks to its compact 136-inch wheelbase, and features a digital rearview mirror that converts from a reflective mirror to a real-time video stream. Perhaps best of all, in addition to its fuel economy, flexibility, and cold weather capability, the new Solis Pocket just happens to be the most affordable camper van in the Winnebago lineup. Learn more about the Solis Pocket and find your local dealer at winnebago.com.